case, they set up a case that the agreement is prior to.
Correct. You
No.
higher consideration also. You bet down the consideration.
They don't disagree with this fact that the agreement is of 2002. Now what they say, what the defendant says. Just a minute. Just a minute. That this 2002, that is subsequent agreement, is merely an extension of time. Now, my lord, but just assuming for a minute that the earlier agreement was a valid agreement for a minute. Now, my lord, there was a period of 6 months for completion of that, the payment, my lord, from my side, my lord. It was only January 3, only 3 months, my lord. Why? Trial court has recorded a finding that this was merely an extension, seeking extension of time. So why should I seek a time immediately after 3 months, my lord? Now, my lord, when I have ample time for 6 months, now, my lord, may I just take a lordship to one paragraph of the deposit.
All of us have to together decide
what
kind of matters will now engage the attention of this court. We can give you some time to put your best foot forward. These are matters which should rest there. That Mr. Neeraj Shekhar learned consequently. We're not inclined to interfere with the concurrent finding of fact. No good grounds are made to interfere with the order of the High Court, especially if petition is dismissed. Yes.
Very
Malad, before my submission, this Malad, this question itself has been decided by this Honorable Court on 9th of June, Malad.
Yes.
I have the judgment copy with myself, Malad.
Yes.
I can show that.
Yes.
Yes, Malad. The Pankaj Datta.
The CASF matter.
Yes, Malad.
We have seen that.
Malad.
Third,
Mandeep Baisla.
Mandeep Baisla and Consequence Petition. Issue notice returnable on 14th August.
Malad. Obliged.
Council on BC.
Sorry?
Council on BC.
Lordship, interim injunction order was rejected by High Court regarding non-operation of the spice grinding machine.
Yes.
Actually, no opportunity of hearing was given to me.
Yeah.
The matter was transferred from the Bombay bench to the Kolhapur circuit bench suddenly. And the advocate
So the
of the
license
petitioner.
wasn't the name of the mother, they say. Right? Wife.
Lordship, actually, wife, the FSSI certificate was obtained by wife after filing the suit. That is their defense. In plain,
See, it is a today, as long as the license is subsisting, it's a legitimate activity.
even shop act license is.
Your case is that it is running in a commercial premises in a residential locality, but the license is operating. You take steps on that. You should impede her.
Lordship, the license is not valid license filed. There is no
We can't
license on the record by the wife.
So how
of the
can
respondent
we,
number
in the
2.
absence of the wife, pronounce on the validity of the license? You have been non-suited on non-joinder.
Yes, Lordship, but that non-joinder, there is no license on the record. Only intimation for the application of the shop act license. Lordship, kindly see the annexure. I am showing what they have filed before the court. That is annexure number P24. That is not valid shop act license they have, because if they are filing the license on the name of the wife, but that is invalid license, and because of that the court held that there is a non-joinder of the necessary party.
You add her and move for another relief. Heard Mr. Vasant Kokanal and counsel for the petitioner, we find no good grounds to interfere with the infant order. Special petition is dismissed. You want to take an order behind the back. This is what happens. Yes.
Because my petition under 227 is dismissed by the High Court. The High Court says the better remedy is under Order 43, Rule 1R. But they say the orders are speaking orders as well.
But look at your facts.
I understand.
Which order are you trying to enforce under 2A?
I completely.
Order he obtained in your suit for removal of structure.
Absolutely.
But your prayer is to maintain status quo. You didn't move a separate IA. So the court says, one, on that ground, you're non-laws. 2, in event it is an appeal against order under Order 43, 1R.
I understand, but please see the last paragraph.
Something must be there, no?
No, my lords, only humanitarian grounds, my lords.
No, no.
So it's an 80-year-old widow, my lords.
Having heard Mr.
Suryansh Kumar Arora.
Raj Kumar Agarwal, learned counsel for the petition. We are not inclined to interfere with the implement order. Especially petition is dismissed.
My lords, delay may be controlled.
How much delay?
My lords, 386 days.
Okay, delay control.
Grateful, my lords.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, present SLP has been filed against the order dated 2/3/2026
Yes.
in reticle number 425, whereby dismiss the appeal. Lordship, page number.
Date we appointed.
Yes, your Lordship, petitioner husband was not appointed in time, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, petitioner did not complete qualifying period of service as per the Assam government notification for
Will it have
1 year.
Will it have a ripple effect? Will there a large number of people will come if we extend this for 6 months service? If we extend that compassionate pension?
Yes, your Lordship. Petitioner, the recruitment drive was carried out in the year of 2005, your Lordship.
Heard your good name,
M. Soikia, Mintu Soikia.
Mr. Minto, learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice returnable on 24th August. All right.
Lordship, interim fair may can be granted.
No. What interim prayer? Lost the main matter there now. How can we do interim prayer? The state of Assam file a contract explaining the actual and the legal position. Yes.
Agenda matter.
Adjourned in terms of the letter.
Alright, Lordship. Actually, in this matter, it has been found that there was no fault of the prison authorities or the inmates. He was not harassed. Only thing was that he was afraid that he will be convicted. That is his committed suicide. And all the judgments relied by Honorable High Court.
How did the muffler and all that in February end in Lucknow? Well, muffler may not be needed. We check the date. You know there is a ventilator there. Are these? Can you leave them all this in his hands, Mr. Mishra? And what 10 lakhs has been given?
Actually, 3 lakhs have been asked by the
That's correct.
Human Rights Commission, that has been paid.
They have laid on a Meghalaya judgment which has put a slab. Up to the 15 could have been given, but they have given 10.
Then Lordship, one prayer.
See, how did these things? You must be careful with prisoners. How do they get in hold of this, string or these kind of things?
Because it was winter, he was having muffler.
You should give some other equipment for muffler.
Lordship, in that event, if Lordship is not inclined, Lordship
You
may,
don't want to probe that angle further because admittedly it is suicide. We leave it at that.
Lordship may,
But Mr. Mishra will not come.
Lordship may pass this, not interfere in the facts and circumstances of this.
Very good. That's a fair call, Mr. Mr. Mishra and counsel for the state on this special facts and circumstances of the case. We are not inclined to interfere with the judgment of the High Court. Especially petition is dismissed.
Actually, there is delay of 32 days.
Delay condoned.
As an item 15, my lords, similar matter for co-accused notice has been issued. Let this be tagged along with that, my lords.
We wanted to study that, but your letter came, you come later.
Please, my lords.
List in the week beginning 27th July. Adjourned in terms of the letter, list in the week beginning 27th. Yes.
Lordship, double murder case, the informant himself has been convicted, Your Lordship. In a house, the informant who was the house help was in the first floor of the house.
Staircase inside or outside?
Your Lordship, the map of the place itself has not been produced by the prosecution.
The staircase is outside.
Yes.
And they say there is a staircase connecting the ground floor and the first floor.
Yes.
Outside or inside?
The map has not been produced by the prosecution. That has to be in my favor, Your Lordship. The chain of circumstances is not complete. The case is that when I raised a halla, then my brother and my father. And DW1 has said that, who is an independent witness, has said that yes, my room was opened in his presence. His cross-examination he has withstood the cross-examination.
The sexual assault part.
There is no evidence of any rape. PW9, who is the daughter of the deceased, she says that the jewelry, etc., has been cleared out from the house, which again is in consonance with my version that the miscreants had come in.
How much you undergone?
4.5 months, years, Your Lordship. 4.5 years, it may be considered. I was on.
You granted that original records of the trial court be called for. On receipt, let a digital copy of the same be given to both the counsel for the appellant and the counsel for the state. A list for consideration of the application for interim relief on 31st August. Letter adjourned in terms of the letter. Adjourned in terms of the letter.
I appear on a transportation 26.
In this matter, my lord, the petition was nominated in the second disclosure of the main accused, my lord. My lord,
What's your point?
my lord, the point is, my lord, the main accused, my lord, made a first disclosure naming the brother of the petitioner. When the police raided the house, my lord, he was implicated, my lord. Just one day prior to the, my lord, police.
That is the brother.
Yes, Javed.
How do they bring you in?
My lord, they raided the house of Javed. He is the brother. When he was, my lord, he was named. My lord, there, my lord, the ASI, my lord, demanded some illegal justice.
That is your story. Leave that aside.
My lord, even my lord, if my lord.
You will come across with this. Now they only say Parvez accompanied Javed.
Yes.
Where is that portion?
My lord, that is, my lord, synopsis at page C, my lord.
No, not synopsis. The second statement.
My lord, second statement is not on record, but my lord, it is the 173 report has been presented before the special court, my lord, the co-accused. And from that, my lord, we have got this point that they say that the second disclosure is only that he has accompanied, my lord.
May I draw my lord's attention to a bail order, my lords? This is
Bail
of
order.
the previous antecedent which Parvez holds. Similar set of accused, similar story in 2023, which is still pending. Therein,
You have got an antecedent?
yes,
My lord,
same
one
entity.
case, my lord, the person, my lord, the same, my lord,
Where have you disclosed it in the SLP?
my lord, in my petition, next year P4, your lord.
No, in the synopsis.
Not.
Lord, the synopsis I have not.
This is also part of the.
And my lord, kindly appreciate one aspect.
No.
My lord, kindly appreciate, my lord.
No.
This person, my lord, Nitin, who's named, my lord, the brother.
EPS anticipatory bail is very exceptional.
My lord, this IO, my lord, he has been, my lord, recently he has been arrested by the vigilance, my lord, accepting bribe, my lord. This is the cutting of the newspaper, my lord. My lord, it is the fact, my lord, he was demanding, my lord.
He is facing his own punishment, my lord,
My lord,
in the trial. So,
my lord, this,
2023.
What is that bail order?
My lord, this was dismissed. Thereafter, he got an anticipatory bail. My lord, the website wasn't working. Anticipatory bail by the High Court in 2023 itself. Same set of accused, Nitin, Parvez, Javed Ali, everybody similar.
Who is IO in this case?
my lord, Sukhraj Singh is the IO.
In this case?
My lord, not in this case.
Somebody else, my lord.
My lord, he was the IO, some other IO, but this Sukhraj Singh in the present case, my lord, he has been arrested, my lord, for accepting bribe, my lord.
This is Jalandhar, that is Hoshiarpur. Both different districts.
J.S. Thakur.
So J.S. Thakur learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. Siddhant Sharma learned counsel appearing for the state on advance notice. We are not inclined to interfere with the impugn order. Mr. Siddhant Sharma also points out that there is one criminal antecedent against the petition. The statement is based on record. Special petition is dismissed. Yes.
27, we have been informed by the registry it will be listed on 9th and it suddenly got listed on the supplementary list yesterday. So I'm just requesting if it will be listed tomorrow or day after, Milad. Because it just came on the list suddenly and we had inquired from the registry yesterday and we had told it was coming on the 9th. And the urgency is, Milad, because there's a challenge to the award and at the same time there's an execution proceeding.
Second matter is the
Execution proceeding.
First is the
Challenge
order.
Yes.
Second is the a recognition order.
No, the first is a recognition order.
No, first is the deposit.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's just that the,
Yes.
My lord,
Predates.
the way senior advocate is leading it, short passover may be given.
He wants it on 9th because he's.
tomorrow or day after, my lord. It's just that yesterday when yesterday it got listed suddenly.
They have to deposit by 9th. These matters tomorrow.
Grateful, my lords.
Tomorrow.
Grateful.
May please, my lords.
This is arising out of an order dated 1st of July, wherein, without hearing me, the impact has been placed on me. IMR3 notices have not been issued to me.
How long has the committee functioned?
My lords, this committee has only the first extension has been granted. The members of the
For the ad hoc committee, how
Yes, my
long?
lords.
2 years and 3 months.
In 2024, the first time an ad hoc is constituted, an administrator is appointed. He wishes to take charge. He's taken charge yesterday.
Absolutely.
Now, my lords,
How many times were you told to
No,
conduct the election? How many times?
9 times.
this is not at all. This is not true.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
May I kindly just
Ad hoc committee continuing like this?
no, my lords.
When did the term expire? 2022 election?
24 years
My lords, 2024.
24 the term expired?
Because on
Today we
allegation,
are on 26. No elections?
my lords, all the committees since then. This is not the committee that has continued. It has only continued for the last 3 months. Now, what transpired? May I kindly
These
see?
individuals have changed.
Yes, absolutely.
Ad hoc committee, can it continue beyond the normal term of an
Lords,
election?
Under section 24.
1 minute, Mr. Mehta, please.
Sorry.
These ad hoc committee members are those people who are elected, democratically elected representatives of the DCAs. These are not busybodies or nobodies.
Having heard Mr. Yadav.
My lords, may I kindly just submit one thing for a moment? My lords, the petitioner is a person who's a selector with the RCI currently at this point.
We have seen that
Yes, my lord.
his sons has not been selected.
His sons
We have
have not
seen
been
that, but does that detract from the fact
Can
that
I just-
you are continuing beyond a normal electoral term?
May I kindly just submit one thing?
Yes.
On 26th of June, an AGM has taken place where this roadmap was
What
placed.
is
We have
this
only.
anxiety to clutch at power like this? We go contest election, royally come and.
Let's give us that 3 months time that election will be held. This is my
Having-
statement.
Having
But may I just-
enough.
Can I just say one thing? I beg your indulgence on one
Yes.
issue.
Yes.
If, for example, this ad hoc committee would have not done the elections, then I'm liable to be punished. Here, what they have done is I have placed on
You have
26th.
not been punished. The association has been protected with an
Milords,
administration.
my entire process goes for a toss because now the
Several things maybe go for a toss,
yes, Milords.
but let the toss be fair in the
I
next
bow down.
match.
Give me that 2 months time, Milords. I'm only seeking
Having
because I've
heard-
already
having
placed
heard Mr.
on.
Yadav Narendra Singh learned counsel for the petitioner.
I'm Yuvraj
And
Sam.
Mr. Yuvraj Singh learned counsel for the
Yuvraj Sam.
petitioner. And Mr. Vikas Mehta appearing on caveat form.
My lord, I'm appearing for the.
He is not even a party in the PIL. He is not even a party in the PIL. Milords.
Having heard so and so, we are not inclined to interfere with the implement order.
May I kindly
Petition
just,
petition dismissed.
may I kindly just seek one
Enough,
interview?
please. Next.
I'm so grateful.
They also clarify, Lord,
Lord,
that-
all I wanted was, Lord,
For the government. They
We are not interfered with the order.
Right, Lord, but this petition should not have been treated to have been filed by the administration, by the association, because the association today is with the administrator.
We have dismissed it. We
May I kindly
cannot-
seek one indulgence? Last indulgence.
Record your statement.
Lord-
Then he can, at least should have the carriage of proceeding, challenge the order of the administrator. Don't get into it.
Maharaj, can I just make one
Enough,
submission?
enough.
Maharaj, I wish to raise this concern before the High Court. I may be allowed to withdraw this with permission. I humbly bow down.
Mr. Yuvraj, arguing for some time, waves need to withdraw the special leave petition.
I may be heard before.
Special leave petition dismissed as withdrawn, yes.
Maharaj, my
No more
contentions.
delay, no more delay, enough.
No, Maharaj, only my contentions before the High Court may be kept open. Otherwise,
Nothing, enough now.
I only seek that indulgence.
This was a-
I will be extremely obliged. for it.
Lord, this is a case of a
But at least
permission,
I may be heard. before.
Please leave it now, yes.
not a case of a permission to travel abroad because I had a temporary green card, it was expiring. Anticipatory bail was granted. All I wanted was 3 months time to go. Please kindly just see my prayer at page
But,
1.
entire family is there, you are saying. what
Well,
is
not-
the
it is
character?
there, not-
One
not-
offense is
not it is
punishable
there,
life,
not-
Mr. Luthra.
But my business is here. I've got further contracts from the government. I'm still doing the contracts. The earlier contracts have not been cancelled. The moment they told me wrong bank guarantee, I replaced the bank guarantee and the
Yes.
High Court at the anticipatory bill records this. So all I'm
Yes.
saying is about conditions. I leave it not, but I need to go there only for 3 months, not for more.
Luthra, senior advocate submits that unless the petitioner travels abroad, is what permanent
Temporary green
residency,
card, not temporary green card. Temporary green card.
cannot be renewed.
Yes.
We would like to ascertain the views of the investigating agency in this regard. Issue notice returnable on
But
24, or you say 21st August. Yes.
Lord, would it be possible earlier,
Anyway,
Lord?
you have time till November.
Yes, Lord, but yes, all right, Lord. I'll leave it to your Lordship. Lord, would your
Yes.
Lordship consider Lord, end July, subject to your Lordship's convenience, of course.
All right, only to ascertain the
Last
views
week
of the
of-
government. All right, fix it on 7th August. Yes.
Grateful. Grateful.
Yes.
There's one thing, my lord, that I would like to point out, my lord. Yes,
Which matter?
my lord, this matter only to
Is
it.
there?
The instructions may not have been passed, my lord. There's a
Yes.
condition, my lord, wherein if in the period of 6 months I do not travel back to the United States, my lord, then my permanent residency can be anyways in jeopardy.
But what happens to offense? Which is more important? Let us ascertain the views of the state.
Shorter date, if shorter.
7th August we have given. You can't give shorter than that.
My Lord, there may be consequences. My friend is right, Lord. If
Yes.
7th of August, I'll leave it.
Yes, 7th August is good.
The 6 month period, my lord, is expiring, my lord, before that, my lord, and if I don't travel
Where
back,
have you stated in your affidavit that 6-month period is expiring before that? You say you have time till 11 November.
no, that 11th of November is, my lord, when my green
Where
card
have you
is
The card
said in the-
expires.
Where have you said in the petition that before 6 months it
No.
has to be okay?
in the interim relief, my lord, that I have prayed, my lord, we have mentioned that 6 month period, my lord, is of criteria, my lord.
You say
But this
returnable
it's
on,
stated at page 31.
returnable on 24th, not 24th. You say the 22nd August, July. Liberty to serve the All right, let's see
Grateful,
what.
grateful, grateful, grateful.
Wait, please, your Lord.
May I please my
My
lord?
application.
Yeah,
Lord,
please.
I have moved.
This one,
Time
I can move
Yeah.
the application.
And
Yes.
Mr. Call may be unmuted.
Lord, I have moved this application, my lord, on several grounds.
Yes, Mr. Ajit Kumar.
Lordship may kindly see the order of the third, when the matter was transferred to CBI,
Yes.
there is a detailed judgment rendered by Lord of dated 13/10/2025.
We have seen that. You can draw attention.
Yes, my lord, if I may, please. So your Lordship will kindly come to
You first
paragraph.
place your application.
Sorry,
Okay,
ma'am?
you place your application first.
Yes, yes.
What
So
exactly are you trying to
I
say?
am relying on the fact
Yes.
that there is a narrative being built, my lord, by accused persons for the purpose of, first of all, trying to compensate. That's one part. We are not against compensation, but not, my lord, directly by them if they are accused. That is number one. Number two, my lord, that if they are making statements in the press, which your lordships have also forbidden, not only here, my lord, even in Arvind Kejriwal's bail condition, that you can't today, my lord, a public narrative is built on.
You have said that with regard to contempt, etc., you are filing a separate petition as regards
No,
that
okay,
individual
that we could, my lord, we will file separately.
separately.
But
Now tell us, you want the Chief Minister's visit to be regulated by the Supreme Court
no, I'm
to
not.
fix the itinerary of an executive.
No, my
head.
lord, no, I'm not, my lord.
Yes.
If your lordship just see my prayer.
Yes, yes,
Kindly come to my prayer, my lord.
yes.
At page number 10.
In the IA.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Page 10, B. A is for impleadment.
yes,
Then B is, my lord, pending completion of the investigation by the Central Bureau
yes,
pursuant to the order, no person, including so and so,
yes.
shall make public statements attributing criminal liability, threatening political opponents, or otherwise commenting upon the merits of the pending investigation in a manner likely to prejudice or interfere with the fair and independent investigation directed by the
A quiet-timid injunction on free speech, Mr. Ajit Kumar, which
No.
law sanctions it?
No, I am not saying free speech.
Yes.
But I am
You
saying,
make your speech, you counter free speech
No.
with more speech.
with all due respect,
Yes.
what I am saying is a little different.
Yes.
What I am saying is
How does the Supreme Court, in a matter where the Supreme Court says we will appoint a CBI to investigate and monitor it,
Yes.
get an impleadment of a political rival and make all these orders one after the other?
Yes.
Where is this legal sanction for all?
May I just show two portions of that order of 13?
Yes, now you show the order.
Please.
You want to finish the prayer, you can finish the prayer.
I will not, there is no question of finishing.
Yes, no, finish reading the prayer.
State government be at liberty. Compassionate appointment, government orders, another
during the pendency of CBI investigation, except in accordance with such procedure and safeguard as may be directed. Now, my lord, I am only
There are
saying.
41 people who have died,
Yes.
according to application.
Yes, yes,
42 are injured.
Yes, my lord.
There is an ex gratia of 10 lakh sanctioned.
Yes,
The orders of compassionate appointment have to be handed over.
yes.
How will it any manner influence?
No,
What is the reflection on the?
My lord, I'm putting it a little differently.
No, but is it a well thought out application? Mr.
No, it's a thought out with.
What is the sequitur of this? You just pause for a moment and think for
The
it.
sequitur only, my lord, I am only putting it this way, that if in any kind of speech, if your lordship see that speech, my lord, which I have produced at page number 18.
The speech, if it is contempt, you say you will file separately.
Yes.
If it anyway interferes with the administration of justice.
I am my lord, I am only saying, my lord, with respect, if your lordship allow me.
Today, if the executive head, in a hypothetical case, leave this, want to distribute what is already ordered to the victims, how will the victims be implemented? Does it not only reflect on your thought on the victim?
No, my lord, I have not, with respect, no.
Yes.
It's not, my lord, the executive alone. He is playing a dual role.
Yes.
The dual role is also accused number one.
Who is accused number one?
My lord, the executive head is not in the FIR.
No. Even your application and your FIR rated by the previous government doesn't record the
Nobody is
as an accused.
No,
Lord, what I am, Lord,
You check up with your facts. I may be wrong.
no, not an accused.
It's not accused.
It's not an accused, my lords.
Accused are some who are ministers, Mr. Ajit Kumar.
Yes.
Not the chief minister.
please.
Yes, never been.
The FIR registered by the state government, first and second, before this court ordered the CBI transfer, recorded some accused.
Yes.
Those are the facts.
Yes.
But today, to make this for our court a political forum instead of fighting a battle outside, how is it justified?
I'll put it a little differently.
Yes.
There is a monitoring committee which has also been constituted, Lord of Justice Rastogi, which is Lordship then was Lord, that he would also, there will be a 3-member committee to monitor. Now, the direction to monitor is with reference to the investigation being conducted with a monthly report. Now, if I may be permitted, the Lordships are so inclined, Lord, that if I may be permitted to at least bring it to his notice that this kind of thing is being made, and an investigation in some way is being thought to be influenced.
We don't know what you can do, what you cannot do, but this application, you will be best advised not to press it here, because we are inclined to dismiss it. Because there are other implications.
Yes, I quite
which perhaps have not been thought through even at your end.
Please, just give me 1 minute. I've taken instructions, we'll withdraw it. With the only one statement to be recorded, Lord, that we can bring it if we, Lord, to the notice of the committee.
We will not propose, we will not permit.
No, I'm not saying don't permit, Lord, only record a statement of mine.
We will not say anything, we will just say you will withdraw it with pursue such other remedies as are available to you.
Please.
Please. Mr. Ranjit Kumar, third Mr. Ranjit Kumar, Leonard Senior Advocate, for the applicant. Mr. Ranjit Kumar seeks leave to withdraw this application to pursue such other remedies as may be available to the applicant. We dismiss the application as withdrawn on the above terms.
Very good. Very great. It's very great. Very.
Yes.
Now this is petition against the rejection of regular bail.
Yes.
By the Honorable Court of Law. Lord, petitioner is behind bar.
Again, cybercrime, 17 accounts, new accounts, etc. How much you undergone?
7 months, Lord, till date. Around 7 months.
It is going.
Suffering from.
This racket is going on. Most of the elderly people are cheated like this.
Lord, on merit, I can't say anything because trial is yet to.
You withdraw, pursue at the later stage. You're not inclined at this stage. The other matter, there were 2 years and 3 months, so we issued some notice. Don't know what we will do.
Then, my Lord, kindly, I'm withdrawing with
Yes,
kindly.
Mr. Chandra Kumar, learned counsel for the petition. We have leave to withdraw the special leave petition to renew the prayer for bail at a later stage. According to the said statement, the special leave petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Yes.
Item 19.
Lordship, the High Court has
A short passover.
Passover.
Passover. What is this matter, Mr. Gandhi?
My Lord, notices has been issued. This is an SLP against the order of the appellate. High Court has dismissed the appeal on the ground that the petitioner does not press the conviction on merits and the sentence cannot be reduced because the sentence was awarded under section 25(1)(ba) of 1 year.
We will have to, even though we permit you to argue the appeal,
Lordship.
there are some judgments which say that even if counsel reports, the court should satisfy itself on the first appeal. Have you seen those judgments?
Lordship, there are judgments that the court has to pass the order on merits.
Merits. Have you seen the judgments?
It has to be remanded back only.
See, even if the counsel statement says, suppose in a murder trial, he comes and says yes, still you have to go through the motion.
I don't
So I'll give you the judgment, you study it and come. This is Sankalp, no? G2 versus State of Chhattisgarh. Appellate court under duty and obligation to look into the evidence adduced.
It may be remanded.
2013-11 SCC 489. We will either send it back or look into the evidence. So only Arms Act remains.
Lordship.
We'll see.
Arms Act.
Based on 22nd July.
My Lord,
The request for the land also for the state.
question of sentence also, my Lord, the 1 year has
We'll
been.
see it. We'll see it. 22nd July. We work upon this. Help us. Yeah.
Obliged.
You also give us more judgments on it.
Lordship.
And we have filed the affidavit in terms of the last order.
Yes. Affidavit for what?
About the criminal antecedent of the, because the statement was made.
This is conviction. What antecedent can do?
No,
You keep him in the other case.
The Honorable
He will have
Court
to-
has directed us to
I see.
file an affidavit.
Justice Sandeep Kumar, sir. I saw
Yes,
that.
ma'am, that's right. Gratefully.
Settled in your favor. Yes.
Lords, in this case, Lordship, item 20 minutes. Lords, there is a husband and wife dispute. But Patiala House, Lords, now there is a mediation going on in Patiala House. Patiala House. And this 10th of August is the next date. Now, what has happened is, I don't want to muddy waters. Here, the boy is an IITian. The girl had a couple of marriages prior to Lords and before this relationship. In fact, there's a Supreme Court order that.
Yes, yes.
And so I was only praying that.
It's a Vikash case or something.
Vikash. So I was only praying that if the 10th August, it can come after 10th August. She's also Vice Chancellor's daughter.
Shanyal, you support that bill? You are aware that it's on mediation?
Yes, sir. I am on behalf of petitioner wife, respondent.
Petitioner wife?
Petitioner's wife.
Respondent.
Respondent.
Yes.
Mr. Shubhro Shanyal, counsel for the petitioner, submits that mediation is underway in a related proceeding in the Patiala House. And the date of sitting for the mediation is 10th August. Call this matter on 14th August. Or we can give a little later.
Little later he'll come.
On 11th September.
Because the Patna High Court matter, Patna matter has been quashed. 498A. It filed one there, filed one here. one in Ranchi, all those things. So we'll come to it.
I appear for the petitioner.
Yes.
Case of quashing of my complaint for forgery.
Notice issue, who is appearing against you?
They are represented. My lord's office report shows the name of
Devendra Singh.
Devendra Singh. But no counter is filed. And
Normally, we saw that last 2 years, no counter is filed. But what remains once the company and the two directors you settle?
that, in fact, that's the error in the order, my lords. The complaint was against 3 individuals, not against the company.
And you accept this lady in the settlement also?
Yes, we have made an exception for her. Unfortunately, they were husband and wife. She misused his signatures and accepted his resignation and filed documents on the MCA portal with a forged signature.
Anyways, your complaint is quashed, so you have urgency.
Yes, my complaint.
None appears for the respondent. No counter affidavit has also been filed. I don't say that because they don't need a counter affidavit. It is on 11th August.
Thank you.
File a short note of 2-3 pages which help us correlating the pages.
Very good.
Dispose it on that.
Very good.
Lordship, in 22, we are requesting for a rejoinder also. We'll file a rejoinder in the meanwhile.
All right. When it comes to the petitioner, it takes time to file a rejoinder. Let the same be filed in 2 weeks. Just after the partial working days are over.
Deeply obliged.
Adjourned in terms of the letter.
Please, notes.
2025 are connected matters. I have got instructions from NCTE, but when I want to place on record a counter affidavit, I only need 1 week's time.
What is your stand in this, because they say that now you have given them 27, 28.
Yes, Milord.
But they were done everything within time and they should be given for 26, 27.
Milord, the only difficulty which we have is, Milord, because of administrative reasons, sometimes a delay occurs. But Milord, after the
Administrative reasons within inverted commas or real administrative reasons. Anyway.
If I could file a counter, Milord, just 1 week I want.
My difficulty is the counseling will start from 15 July onwards.
We will list it before that.
Please,
Gitanjali Mohan, Learned Council, appears for the National Council for Teacher Education and prays for a week's time to file a counter affidavit. The counter affidavit will be filed before 13th July. List the matter on whether possible the petitioner submits that the counseling will begin
Tentative date, please.
15 July. Lift on 14th July.
Deep obliged. Deep obliged.